All right, so a lot of people are talking about russet mites lately and fox farms. So we took a bag of fox farm soil. We took a clone that came out of a clean room. Absolutely no infestation. We used the bathtub. We sterilized the bathtub really well. Bathroom that wasn't being used. We grabbed a bag of fox farms, opened it up, put it in a 1 gallon, dropped the cut inside of the soil. And within 3 days, this is what the plant looks like, completely infested with russet mites or broad mites, whatever you want to call them. I don't know, man. I'm not feeling this Fox Farm soil. This is the second time this has happened with Fox Farms, so we're totally ixing the Fox Farms out of our lineup. I used to love Ocean Forest, but after everybody complains about russet mites and then you do it confined in a quarantine room and it shows that it does have russet mites. As hard as I looked through the soil with a 30 and 60 times, I couldn't find much. But I did find what I believed was larva, and then sure enough, you plant it, get it to temp, here it comes. So no bueno on the Fox Farms. If you guys have any questions or comments, let me know. I'm not trying to knock this brand. I'm just saying, guys, this was in a complete clean room, and you can see it's infested with russet mites.